Welcome to the class. We'll be learning how to use the hover. It is a pseudo class element in our codes. Now, what is the use of hover? Whenever I'll hover my mouse pointer over any element or any button or any type of container that is present in the website, it will give me some required changes. For that, first of all, make a coding environment for the HTML. I had made this already. Now, I'll be adding three divs, the div with class A, div with class B and class C. I'll be making some height and width for it, then I'll give some background color, and then in the hover part, when I'll hover over the boxes, the div that I had created, at that time I'll be getting some different color other than the background color that I had mentioned in the dot A or dot B, means the classes. So first of all, make divs with class equal to A for the first one, copy it and then paste it for twice and just change the class. I'm using class B and class C. Save it. I had already started the live server here. I'll be getting my outputs here. Now I'll be making a style tag for adding the CSS features. You first of all make dot A and mention some height and width for it. Let the height will be 150 pixels and width will be same 150 pixels, and save it. Copy and paste it for dot B and dot C, because maximum features will be same in dot A, dot B and dot C, only the background color will be different. So make it dot B and the third one will be dot C. Save it. It is not visible because I did not mention any border or not mention any background color. Let's mention it. Let the background color here will be red. Save it. I got the red box. Make the background color here as black. Save it. Got it here. If you want to bring it in a horizontal position, then I have to use the table tag so that it will come in a single sequence. Now make background color as blue. So I had three divs with me now. Okay. Now coming to the output, when I move my mouse pointer over here, I am not getting any change. For getting changes, I have to use either JavaScript events. The events those will be used will be on mouse over, on mouse out. There are other events also, the mouse events are there, but on mouse over and on mouse out. That means when my mouse will come over the object or when my mouse will go out of the object. We can use that method, but today we'll be using the pseudo class elements. That means we'll be using in CSS, we'll be doing this. So for doing that, we'll be using the pseudo class element, and that is hover. Now how to use the hover? I had already mentioned dot A there, mention dot A once again, and along with that mention hover. This is the definition I'll be using for pseudo class elements. Now mention any background color here. Let the background color here will be, make it caded blue. Save it. Now when I'm coming to the output, I'll be getting the red color in the first box, but when I'll hover over it, then I'll be getting a different color. You can see the change coming out. Again red color, coming inside again some different color. Do the same for dot B and dot C. Mention dot B and dot C and also use the hover for the pseudo classes. It's done. Now whenever I'll bring my mouse pointer over it, I'll be getting a different color, and that is caded blue. You can mention different colors also. You can change the dimensions. I'll do some other features also, just have time. So coming here, it is changing the colors. Now you can see, you might have seen some hand-like structure, some palm structure when I'll come to the buttons part. But here it is giving me some arrow sign. So how to make the different arrow marks? Okay. We can use, either we can directly use it in the dot A, or else I can use it in hover also. For that I have to use cursor as pointer. If I'm using cursor as pointer, I'd mentioned it for the .a class, means class A. So when I'll bring my mouse pointer over here, I'll be getting some different pointers. Okay, here I'm getting a palm shape, but coming here I'm actually getting the arrow mark. Like this, we can also change the cursor style. There are other cursor style like not allowed. I'm using that for the class C. I'll use that for class C. It is not allowed. That means we cannot move over it. We can move over it, but it will show that this place is restricted. Like I had given cursor as pointer for .a and .b, and in .c I had given not allowed. Now coming to the output, I'll be getting this palm structure in both the cases, but coming to the third one, I'll be getting a blocked message. Means I'll be getting some blocked signs. It is showing that this place is restricted. Okay, so this is how we'll be working with the pseudo class elements. This is for today's class. We'll be doing something else, something more interesting in the next class. Thank you.